As we arrive at the Church of Saint Lazarus, we enter one of the most important religious landmarks in Cyprus. Located in the heart of Larnaca, this historic stone church stands as a testament to centuries of faith, devotion, and continuity. Saint Lazarus is a central figure in Christian tradition. He is the Lazarus mentioned in the Gospel of John, whom Jesus Christ raised from the dead after 4 days in the tomb. This miracle, witnessed by many, became one of the most powerful affirmations of Christ's divine authority. According to Orthodox tradition, after his resurrection, Lazarus fled Judea to escape persecution. He found refuge in Cyprus and settled in the ancient city of Cheiron, where he became its first bishop. He lived here for many years, preaching Christianity and serving the local community until his death. He was buried once again, this time peacefully, in the place where this church now stands. The Church of Saint Lazarus was originally built in the 9th century directly above his tomb. During later renovations, the tomb was rediscovered with an inscription reading, "Lazarus, the friend of Christ." Over time, the church survived earthquakes, invasions, and periods of foreign rule, including Byzantine, Frankish, and Ottoman eras, each leaving its mark on the building. As we step inside, the atmosphere becomes noticeably calmer. Soft candlelight, the scent of incense, and the quiet presence of worshippers create a space for reflection. The eye is drawn to the impressive wooden iconostasis, carved in the 18th century and covered in gold leaf. It displays icons depicting scenes from the life of Christ, the Virgin Mary, and Saint Lazarus himself. In Orthodox tradition, icons are not merely decorative. They are windows into the spiritual world. The icon of Saint Lazarus often shows him dressed as a bishop, holding the gospel, emphasizing his life after resurrection rather than the miracle alone. Beneath the sanctuary lies the tomb of Saint Lazarus, accessible by descending stone steps. The crypt is simple and solemn, inviting quiet contemplation. Tradition holds that after returning from death, Lazarus never smiled again, deeply affected by his experience beyond the grave. Outside, the bell tower stands as a symbol of endurance. Its bells, once forbidden during Ottoman rule, now ring freely. Each year, on Lazarus Saturday, the church becomes the center of one of Cyprus's most important religious processions. The Church of Saint Lazarus is not only a historical monument, but a living place of faith, where history, scripture, memory, and daily life continue to meet in silence and prayer. As visitors leave the church and return to the streets of Larnaca, they carry with them a quiet reminder of resilience, belief, and continuity shaped by centuries of prayer, human struggle, and hope, still alive in stone, ritual, and the shared memory of the community. This enduring presence gently connects past, present, and future.